Hi everyone, this is video 1 for Past Progressive, which is Unit 6 in your textbook. Let's continue our journey with Past Progressive. First, let's review what we talked about in class. What were you doing? In class we talked about the form, which is the easy part this time, and the basic meaning. Remember, the form of any progressive tense includes the helping verb be in the appropriate tense and the ing form of the main verb. In the case of past progressive, we use the past tense of be, was, or were as our helping verb. Here's some basic examples. Affirmative, I was sleeping. Negative, they weren't paying attention. Question, were you listening? We've also talked about the basic meaning. An action was in progress, not finished, in the past. Compare simple past, which we studied back in Unit 4 and 5, and past progressive. Think about this meaning difference. Finished or in progress? My team won the game. My team was winning the game. I wrote my essay. I was writing my essay. Did you hear a difference in my intonation also? The intonation is the way that my voice went up or down or changed. In the past progressive sentences, it sounds like the story is not over. There's more to add. With past progressive, you might want to add the word but, such as, my team was winning the game, but they played terribly in the second half and lost 5-2. So the idea is finished or not. Past progressive, not finished, in progress. Simple past, finished. I was writing my essay, but I didn't finish because my house burned down. Or here's another excuse. I was writing my essay, but then my dog ate it. In case you didn't know, that's kind of an old, stupid joke in American culture, a popular joke. When the kids don't do their homework, they tell the teacher, oh, it's because my dog ate it. Don't try that with me. Remember in class we talked about simple sentences with prepositions of time. Usually that's at, on, and in. Remember, simple sentences have one clause, just a main clause, and no time clause. We talked about using these prepositions of time. Look at the examples here with past progressive. Do you remember which preposition of time goes in the blank? Read the sentences and pause the video. Then repeat it with your voice and write it down. Fill in your answer. Then you can hit play again and check your answer in the next slide. First example, I remember President Obama's inauguration very well, but some of my classmates don't. They were not living in the U.S. 2009. My class started at 9:30, but I was late. I was waiting in traffic, 9:30. Omar missed class on Monday. He went to Chicago last week to visit his brother. Monday, he was traveling back home from Chicago. Pause your video, take your time, come back, when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, did you choose these answers? The first one should be in 2009 because we use in plus a year or month. The second one is at 9:30 because we use at plus a specific time. And the third answer is on Monday because we use on with a day or date. Okay, so remember those are common with simple sentences. Simple sentences do not have a time clause. Okay, now try a few examples that you can bring to class and we can check. Answer these questions. Were you working yesterday at 3 p.m.? So that's just a yes/no question, right? Number 2, where were you living in 2012? Number 3, what were you doing on Sunday morning? Again, you can pause the video. If you want, you can copy the question, but write your answer. And remember, we always like true examples. So write the situation that's true according to your life. What questions do you have so far? Write them down and bring them to class. In the next video, you'll learn about time clauses with past progressive. That's a little bit trickier. See you then.